same shape with the mold bed air pressure. The shape and the quality can be changed according to the customers. It can use many sets of mold in the same machine. They pack many kinds of products. One machine can use many times, improve the usage rate. Fourth, cutting unit. Cutting unit is used to cut PVC which have formed into a single piece as design. Before it, the PVC is one board. After cutting it, change it into the single piece fold down the receiving groove, applying for the after processing. Fifth, guiding unit and conveying unit. The single piece is moved by crosswise manipulation to the guiding unit from the receiving groove. The guiding unit is made up of free and back guiding groove and guiding pole. It limits and guides the moving direction of the piece. It is the guiding arbit and the supporting of the piece. Conveying unit is made up of turning frame, long spindle, and material floor. During the operation, long spindle moves to and fro in the horizontal line. The turn material floors, which is fixed in the long spindle, carry the piece to the next process. The action of material floor controlled by air control system, which is finished under the command of the computer. 6. Filling system. The piece board moved to the filling system. Filling system is used to put liquid into the bottle precisely. When the board was carried to the filling process, the calculated injection worked at the same time. The liquid was injected to the bottle through the injection. When find one or more than one bottle have errors, the machine can adjust the capacity through the engine switch. It can make every bottle have the same liquid. The filling system used the peristalsis pump for filling. The liquid was calculated and conveyed in the pipeline. Inject the bottle directly. Reduce the contact with outside. Store the total solution in mechanism pump. When we change the large capacity or change the filling materials, the maintenance system do not change. Just change the tubes. It held the filling precisely and convenient to adjust. There is exam unit ahead of the filling system. It can examine the existing boards and control the filling system whether work or not. So don't worry about the waste of the liquid and make damage to the machine. 7. Longitudinal manipulation. It is used to move the board that is finished filling from front of it to back of it. 8. Heating unit. The board which is moved to the back of it was carried to the heating unit. The heating cell of this unit is 2 plates of heating resistance. Then solve the bottom of the balls, make a good basis of the sealing. 9. End sealing unit. The balls which have been softened was carried to the end sealing unit. This process can seal the piece fastness which has softened by sealing. The bottom has obturated. Each bottle has been separated. The liquid cannot leak. The air outside cannot in. Hereby, the liquid can keep air-proof. In order to get better effection with the 2-end sealing unit, sealing charge time. 10. Creating batch number unit. The board which bottom has softened curly was carried to creating batch number unit. It is cooling and forming batches unit. The bottom has moved. The airproof is better than before, and the batch number have been tapped clearly. 11. End cutting unit. The edge of the board which has end sealed is not irregular. It is taken to the end cutting unit. The mode of the end cutting cut the edge in the sizes. These are designed beforehand. And beauty. The waste material was glued to wasting box. 12. Divide cutting unit. The board that has end cutting was carried to the divide cutting unit. Many bottles are in the same piece. It is not convenient for using. After divided cutting, it is only have a little PVC regulatination just steering when you use. After divide cutting, the board was carried to the small conveyor belt turnover unit. The small conveyor transported to the big conveyor. Big conveyors work continually. It conveyed product to the box of the side machine. At this time, the machine has finished all the processes. Main specifications. First, packing material, PVC, PE. Thickness, 0.3 to 0.4 mm. Width, 280 to 345 mm. Outer diameter, less than and equal to 400 mm. Inner diameter, 70 mm to 76 mm. Second, capacity, 2 to 50 milliliters. Third, packing speed, less than and equal to 20 plates per minute. Fourth, air consumption, 110 liters per minute. Fifth, water consumption, 6 liters per minute. Sixth, install power, 12 kilowatts. Seventh, electrical source, 3 phase fan lines, alternative current 380 watts, 50 Hz. Eighth, outer size, length 3,570 mm, width 17,808 mm, height 1,850 mm. Ninth, weight 3,400 kg.